Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and this is Hitesh here, and if you're following me on Instagram, so you know very well that Bebo is my favorite. So I've come up with this look, which is Bebo's look from Tarifa and one of my favorites, and I had a similar dress to hers, so I thought why not create a similar look as well. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. For my primer, I am using the L'Oreal Base Magique Primer, and I just love how this fills in the pores and gives a flawless, base to start off with. Moving on, I'm using this highlighter. This is from Miniso and it has the perfect, glowy look. As you can see, I just love, and always if you notice, Kareena Kapoor always has a glow on her face. So that's what we are going to replicate here. For the foundation, I am using this foundation from Maybelline, which is the Super Stay 24 Hours foundation, and I'm mixing it with the Farsali Unicorn Essence because this foundation is too matte and it will take away the fact that the skin should be glowy and dewy. So that is why I'm mixing these two and just placing it all over my face. Using my favorite blender, this is from the Plume Cosmetics and this is the microfiber sponge blender, and to my holy grail, I just love this one because it gives so much coverage compared to any other blender, and it does not absorb the product. So this is a very good deal and very good one to try out for the beginners because very good investment and it does not take up a lot of your product.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
For my concealer, I'm using this one from Inglot, and I'm using a diluting liquid which is from Krylon because as and when you feel your pot concealers go too thick and they do not blend properly, you can this magic liquid to just dilute it and it blends like a dream. So moving on to the eyes, I'm using this palette from Faces Canada. I will link it down below because I'm not exactly sure about the shade, and I am using this lighter pink color, nude pink shade, and going it all over as a transition color and blending it with a blending brush so that we do not see any harsh edges. Also guys, just forgive me because my camera is not that great and it does not capture the colors to be very crisp and clear, so I am just trying to figure out which one would work better so you can get the exact color details. Moving on, over my lid area, I am just using this a shimmery shade from the palette and going it all over my lids. And I love how gorgeous this shade looks because it is super bling and it looks just amazing.
Audio Jungle.
And now, since she had a wing sort of a liner, I am using this gel liner from L'Oreal, and I love how this is big, but I am using very small quantity and just outlining, like drawing a line how I want my liner to look like, and on top of that I am going to go with a liquid liner to pack all things together. And also my camera just went shut. I didn't realize I could not capture the little lower wing which I did below the under eye area as well, so I'm so sorry for that. But yes, I have done a double wing liner, so it goes top and bottom both.
Audio Jungle.
For my mascara, I'm using this one from L'Oreal, that is the Lash Paradise mascara, and it gives such good length. So anyone who has thicker lashes like me, you can just work out with a mascara and you do not need any falsies. Yeah, but the concept of falsies just, it enhances any of the look. But yes, sometimes the mascaras work really well, and you can also, you avoid using any false lashes. So this mascara is really great for that purpose.
Audio Jungle.
Now moving on to the contour, I am using this contour stick from Sugar Cosmetics and it is in the shade Fawn First, and I completely love how this stick performs. And as you can see, I'm pulling my contour a little bit down because Kareena Kapoor has the exact chiseled face, which is very difficult for anybody to have because her jaw structure is like out of the world, and I just wish I could also have the same. So just to replicate that, I am doing a contour a bit more exaggerated than I would do on a regular day because we have to look like her. So just blending it using my brush from Nykaa and pulling it all upwards, also going near my chin area so that I get that perfect sculpted look.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
For the concealer, I am using the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer in the shade Neutralizer and placing it under my eyes, a little bit over the forehead, nose, cupid bow, and below the contour. And for blending, I'm using this PAC concealer brush. This is such an amazing brush and does such a good job at blending. And always remember to blend your concealer by just pushing it into the skin so that it avoids creasing. Don't try to rub it or move it around too much. Just try and push it into the skin so that the concealer stays in place and does not crease.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
I am setting my face using this powder from Palladio Beauty, and this is by far one of the best pressed powders I have come across. So anybody who wants to invest in a pressed powder can definitely check out this because I think you will get it on sale and it is not too heavily priced, so it is very good for beginners. You can definitely include this in your kit, and as you can see how airbrushed it looks. For the blush, this is a shade, a very neutral peachy pinky shade because she had pink flush cheeks. So I'm just trying to replicate the same. So I chose this shade. And for the highlighter, I'm using the Maybelline Molten Rose Gold highlighter. Sorry, the shade is Molten Gold, and you can see how brilliant this highlighter is because I just love the texture, the finish, the quality, everything. By far Maybelline has some of the amazing products which I have in my vanity.
Audio Jungle.
For the lips, guys, she had a very hot pink sort of a lip, and I tried to do the similar hot pink and a mixture of plum color over the lips, which looked exactly the same as hers in real, but somehow my camera did not do that much justice. So just excuse me for that. And that's it for the lips.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
So that's it for the look, guys. I just applied a bit of falsies. I did not have the very natural ones as she did, but yeah, this works for me and it looks great on me, and I will link it down below in case you want to check them out. And before leaving from here, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so you are notified every time I create a new video. Also, let me know in the comments below what you want to see me create, like either it is a celebrity makeup recreation or anything in fashion or any looks you want to see in particular. Do comment below, and that's it for now. Bye.
Audio